Hi everybody, this is Ishan. Welcome to the second video from Royal. In this video, I filtered out around five stocks, out of which two are on the buy side and three are on the short side, or one can exit their long positions from that stock. So the first stock we have is the Equitas. Equitas is on the buy side. So let's analyze the chart for Equitas. First we'll draw required trend line. So this is the trend line. This is the first trend line. We'll draw some horizontal rays also. This was the resistance for the previous few days or few months, you can say. The stock 2 days before the stock broke the resistance with nice comfortable volumes. So you can see the volume was very high 2 days ago, and as explained earlier in the previous video, that after the volatility expansion, we should wait for volatility contraction for ideal risk reward ratio. So the next point of buying will be the high of this candle, that is around 60.85. so yes, if you see the stock price again with 60.85, we can take the opportunity and of buying this stock. The stop loss would be the low of this candle, that is around 53, and as you know, we check the market profile also. So we will draw the fixed range from the last high volume areas. So this is the fixed range. The area is around 50. So the stock is also trading comfortably above the POC area and also above the high value nodes. So this shows that it has broken the consolidation range with nice volume, and the RSI is also trading above 60. This is also a sign of bullishness, and the RSI is also in the ascending manner. It's rising. So you can look for Equitas on the buy side, and as you know, the targeting will be around the next CIP level. Is a change in polarity. This concept also I have learned from my friends at Trading Mock. You can definitely check them out on YouTube and Instagram. So the next target will be around 82.5 levels. That is all. For the upcoming weeks, this stock can give you some nice returns. So check this stock on the regular basis and take entry accordingly. The next stock we have on the buy side is from pharma sector. Is the Sun Pharma. Sun Pharma has given a very nice breakout on Friday. I'll draw the analysis again. So this broke the consolidation trend line from this region. So the stock is respecting the upside trend line. Check the volume also. The volume on Friday was very nice. There was some nice delivery taking also, and the stock has broken its resistance also, kind of small resistance, but we have upper resistance, upside resistance around 510 levels. So we have to watch those levels. The closing of the stock above this 510 levels with nice volumes can give very nice upside for the stock. RSI is also trading around 60. So yes, as if the stock breaks the level of 510, the RSI will also trade above 60, and that will confirm the sign of bullishness. For targeting, we will use the Fibonacci retracement levels or the golden ratios. So we will draw from the swing low to swing high. The target we see the targets are around 542. First targets around 542 levels, and the second is around 560. So one can definitely look to invest and trade in Sun Pharma for the upcoming week. And yes, the stop loss should be around 466 levels. The stop loss, because otherwise the trend line will be broken down, and the stock may see the downside for around 370 levels. So keep Sun Pharma in your radar also for investing. Now the three stocks we are on the short side. It is a positional short, of course, and also if someone does not look for shorting the stocks, it can buy the puts also and keep. But ideally, buying puts is not a good thing, because you may lose your chances of profit because of theta decay. So I would suggest go sell the call option or sell the future lot if you have nice capital and you have proper risk management. So the first stock for a positional short is around Titan. Is Titan. So see, I will explain the analysis again. Chart. We have the chart has shown some analysis around triple top setup. or two tops, and from the bottom we can draw a trend line. So this is also a trend line. So it is so it is seen that the stock has broken the trend line, the triangle pattern, and the volumes are also about average. It is slightly above average, but someone is selling the positions, okay. And the RSI is also around 50, so sign of bearishness. Okay, we can see the spikes in RSI. It is trading below the spikes. So, and we will also check with the volume profile. For volume profile, the highest traded volume to the latest. So yes, as you know, this is the POC. The red line is POC. That is the point of control. That is the high demand zone or supply zone. If trading below the POC, it is the supply zone. If trading above the POC, then it becomes a demand zone. So yes, the stock below these levels, that is around 950, 950, we can see a nice bottom, nice downside in the stock. For targeting, we will see the following. This is the 891 levels. Then we have another level around 810. If someone wants to take the short position in this, we can see the risk reward ratio. The stop loss should be highly above the high value area. So this will be the So the stop loss would be around this level, and we will see the risk reward ratio for short position. We will short below this. So the first target is around 891, and the stop loss is around 1000. So yes, risk reward is approximately around 1:1. But for I think that in the future weeks or in upcoming weeks, we can see the stock around 800 levels again. So one can exit the positions if they are long on Titan, or we can carry small amount of short positions in the stock. So the tracement will be around like this. If this stock is broken like this, then around 50% back. Then this. So this can be the estimated movement of the stock. So consider Titan. The next stock we have, it's also bearish stock. It is Bharti Airtel. The stock is trading around, not Bharti Airtel, Bharti Infratel. See, I will explain you again. The top, it is rejecting the top. See, this is the upper trend line. We will draw the lower trend line also. So clearly the stock has broken the triangle pattern on the downside 2 days ago only. So we will, as explained earlier, we will wait for some volatility contraction. That will the stock will contract its volatility by some time or some price contraction. So we will see the movements like the stock will be around. Stock will move in this range for a while, and below this region, that is it's around 205 levels, we can see a big fall. We can see the fall will be very quick, around 180 levels. So we will check the volume profile for this, and RSI is also trading below 50, so that is also sign of bearishness. For fixed range, we will calculate the high volume test. So yes, the stock is trading below the POC. That means that this area has become the supply area, and this is the high value nodes. The stock is trading also below below the high value nodes. It has broken the consolidation range. We can see the downside up till 180. So yes, if you are holding the stocks, you better exit at this point, or keep a trailing stop loss. So the last stock for today is Indigo, that is Interglobe Aviation. So see, as I have always told you that for any upside big movements on the upside or downside, consolidation is required. See this the stock. This stock made consolidation in this region. It broke the consolidation pattern, and we saw very big huge fall. That is the fall was for around 400 points, 500 points. Okay, so now the stock has went again into consolidation. And okay, this is again the second consolidation pattern. But if we draw the trend line on the upside, we can see that the stock is respecting the counter trend line, so that is it is not going up. And similarly, we will draw the trend line from the downside. See, you can see, and we can see there is clearly price rejection on the higher levels. Someone is selling nicely with nice quantities on the upside. We saw a nice big price rejection candle over here, and there was a red candle over here. So this was the volatility expansion. Now the stock will go in the contraction phase. It will be by time contraction or by price contraction. As soon as the stock breaks this trend line, we may see a nice downfall in Indigo also. So the Indigo, we can see the targeting around will be 942 first targets. The next target will be around 880 levels. And the worst, we can check the its low, that is around 70 levels. If one wish to trade in this stock, or one can take the stop loss will be around here. So we will also confirm with volume profile. We will high volume to the latest candle. So yes, you can see that the stock is trading below the POC, that is the POC has become the supply zone for the stock. Someone is selling in that region. As soon as the stock breaks this level, it is in the high value area actually. So one can wait and observe the stock, or if someone is holding long positions in Indigo, one can exit at this level also. As the stock breaks the 960 levels, the movement will be very fast. The downside will be very fast. The RSI is also on the down, going down. We can track the RSI positions also. So it is advisable, if you are holding the long positions, exit the long positions. One with nice risk management can create short position in Indigo according to their risk appetite. So thank you for watching this video until now. So if you have any suggestions, or you want any analysis or chart analysis of particular stock, you can ping me on Twitter. My Twitter ID is ishan.sanghvi. I will mention the Twitter ID link or in the description below, and you can follow my Instagram page also. I will post the write-up for this video on my Instagram channel. So thank you for watching the video.